Hi guys, welcome back. Um, this time I'm going to talk to you guys about soft shackles and how to simply connect the one to the other one and how you use it. This is a half-inch nylon rope. It's probably 25,000 pounds breaking point. These are sold by a company called Zombie Chokers. Link on the description. It's pretty lightweight. I think every quarter a pound, both of them. We get these ones about 2 years ago. I have been noticing that some people don't know how to connect them, but it's something pretty simple. You just open the choker here. You pass the nut and you pull there. So no matter how much strength you press on it, you just come back, get loose, just open the choker, pass it back out. Okay? So 3 strap goes around. What's it? You get hook, thimble, safety thimble. No matter what connection, you just put it in here. And this is your soft shackle. This is just replace any metal shackle that you carry with you. So 2 years of use, never have a problem. We don't use it that often, by the way, but when we use it, when we need it, we really need it. So we use a lot of tension on them. So hopefully the video is useful. May you understand how the soft shackle work or how we get hooked up. And hopefully one of these days you get one of them. In the meantime, see you in the next one.